Have you ever wondered how the wealthy manage their money differently? What are their secrets to building lasting prosperity? Today, we'll unveil these powerful financial strategies, and more importantly, show you how you can apply them to your own life. It all begins with a fundamental shift in mindset. The rich approach money not as a means for immediate gratification, but as a tool for long-term wealth. They prioritize financial education and continuous learning. Knowledge is their most valuable asset, constantly refined and expanded. This commitment to understanding the financial world allows them to make informed decisions, paving the way for sustained growth. Beyond mindset, strategic investing is key as the wealthy diversify far beyond traditional stocks and bonds. They explore real estate, private equity, and alternative assets. Spreading risk and seeking opportunities in various markets, understanding risk and reward is paramount. They meticulously analyze data, making calculated moves rather than speculative gambles. This informed approach allows them to build robust portfolios, resilient to market fluctuations, and poised for long-term appreciation. Another crucial distinction is their use of debt. The rich don't shy away from debt. They leverage it strategically. They differentiate between good debt for investments that generate income or appreciate in value, and bad debt for consumption. By using leverage wisely, they amplify their returns, turning borrowed capital into greater wealth. This sophisticated approach to debt transforms it from a burden into a powerful financial tool. Tax efficiency and estate planning are also cornerstones of their financial strategy. They plan for the future, minimizing liabilities legally. This involves understanding complex tax codes and utilizing legal structures to preserve and grow their wealth across generations. Estate planning ensures their legacy endures, protecting assets and providing for their heirs. These strategies are not exclusive to the ultra-rich. They are principles accessible to anyone willing to learn and apply them. Start by shifting your mindset, embracing financial education, and making informed investment choices. Learn to use debt as a tool, not a trap, and plan for your financial future with tax efficiency and estate planning. By adopting these strategies, you too can build a path towards lasting financial independence and wealth. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into mastering your finances. Your journey to wealth starts now.